SEO Juice AI is the new tool that's shaking up the digital marketing space, and if you're even remotely serious about SEO, you'll want to know exactly what it brings to the table. In this review, I'm going to walk you through 7 crucial things you absolutely need to know about SEO Juice AI so you can decide if it's worth adding to your toolkit. Now, SEO Juice AI claims to be the best just released AI software designed to supercharge your SEO efforts, and from what I've seen so far, it's living up to the hype. Whether you're new to the tool or just considering it, stick around because I'm going to break it down for you and explain why you might want to give it a try. Plus, you can test it for free through the link in the description below. So, let's get into it. First things first, what makes SEO Juice AI stand out? Unlike traditional SEO tools that rely on generic keyword analysis, SEO Juice AI uses advanced machine learning to tailor its insights to your specific business needs. It's not just about pulling data, it takes it a step further by analyzing your competition, understanding your market, and optimizing for the best performing keywords. It's essentially a next-gen SEO assistant that understands your content as well as you do. Another feature that sets it apart is how fast it works. Most AI tools out there can be slow, but SEO Juice AI delivers results in record time, helping you identify what's working and what's not without wasting time. This speed alone could be a game changer for anyone looking to gain an edge in SEO. Let's talk about user experience for a second. SEO Juice AI is incredibly intuitive, making it easy for even beginners to get started. If you're not well versed in SEO yet, the software will guide you through everything from keyword research to content optimization, with easy to understand visuals and suggestions. If you're an expert, you'll love the deeper insights and advanced features it offers for fine-tuning your strategy. SEO Juice AI doesn't just focus on on-page SEO, it also dives into off-page strategies. It offers tools to help you build backlinks intelligently by analyzing the best linking opportunities based on your industry and competitors. This is a huge plus as backlinks are still one of the most powerful ranking factors in SEO. What really impressed me is its reporting. The dashboard provides a clear, actionable SEO report that gives you the insights you need, from ranking tracking to in-depth audits of your content. You don't have to dig through endless data anymore. It presents everything in a way that allows you to take action right away. Another key feature is how it adapts to changes in Google's algorithm. As we all know, Google's updates can be a pain to keep up with, but SEO Juice AI continuously monitors those shifts, allowing you to adjust your strategy in real time. This ensures your rankings stay strong, even when the rules change. Lastly, there's the pricing. SEO Juice AI is offering a free trial, and based on its features, the paid version is incredibly affordable considering the potential return on investment. If you're serious about improving your SEO, this tool could easily pay for itself. If SEO Juice AI sounds like it might be a good fit for your business, don't forget you can try it completely free through the link below. After testing thousands of AI tools, SEO Juice AI is definitely one I recommend if you want to take your SEO game to the next level. Finally, in the description below, I have linked some of my recommended AI software tools that I've tested myself, including SEO Juice, and you can try them out for free. Check them out and see how they can help you level up your digital marketing strategy. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to grab your free trial now.